there are two heterocyclic rings we have to finish. That is pyrols and furols. Apart from pyrols and furols, there is a sulfur containing heterocyclic moiety we have to discuss today. In the thiophene containing, this is a ring containing thiophenes. This is another 5-member ring. Here sulfur is a heteroatoms. In earlier lectures, we have to study with this furons and pyral moiety in unit 3. Now move with the sulfur containing thiophene moiety. Here in this today's session, we have to discuss about the property of thiophenes, their preparation reactions and some chemical reactions along with some moieties containing thiophene as a heterocyclic ring in a particular drugs and their medicinal uses we have to study here. Now we have to move with the structure of thiophene. Thiophene is a 5-member structures sulfur containing heteroatoms. This is sulfur which is present as a heteroatom in 5 members. The numbering starting in thiophene from the heteroatom sulfur 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this way, you have to give the numbers either from clockwise direction or anti-clockwise directions. Both the sides, you give the numberings. Here, sulfur is a heteroatoms along with unshared electron present in the outermost orbit of sulfurs. Here, the orbital picture of thiophene is like that. This is an unshared sp2 hybridized orbit of sulfur containing unshared electrons present in the 5-member heterocyclic rings. Here in p orbit, one of the pi electrons of carbons and these carbons, they are mutually overlapping and to make the double bonds. Here another pi electrons present on the p orbit and to make the pi bond in between. This thiophene is a aromatic compounds. As per the aromatic characters, the particular compound is cyclic in nature. That is, if you see this thiophene is a 5-member ring, cyclic in nature, alternate carbon-carbon single and double bonds. That is, conjugation should be present. Here, if you observe, this is a single bonds. These are the double bonds, and here single bonds. Means alternate single double bonds should be present in the structures, and it passes Huckel rule. That is 4n pi 4n plus 2 pi electron rule passes by this thiophene. So on this criteria, cyclic in nature, alternate single double bonds, and it passes, put n is equal to 1 and it forms the 6 pi electrons. Here pi electrons are the from carbons. These are the one of the pi electrons. This second, third, fourth, and this 2 unshared electron which is present on sulfur. These are the 6 all electrons which showing the property, aromatic properties. 6 delocalizing electron present in the thiophene rings. So this thiophene is a aromatic in nature. If you see with this thiophene structures, it contains 4 carbon atom and 1 sulfur atoms, and all are sp2 hybridized conditions or states, all atoms present in the thiophene. So this sp2 hybridized is a planar in nature, and here the p orbital of carbons having pi electrons, they are sidewise overlapping and to make the pi bond formations in between carbon carbon and to make the double bonds, whereas this type of overlapping is sidewise overlapping between p orbitals. And the total non-bonding electrons present in the structures are 6. How to calculate? 4 from carbon-carbon double bonds and 2 from the sulfur atoms. If you see with this, the 2 electrons from sulfur atoms And due to that, cyclic in nature, alternate single double bonds, this thiophene ring is aromatic in nature. Another interesting things, the thiophene is more aromatic than other pyrrols and furols because the more electronegative atoms present, that is oxygen and nitrogen, as compared if you compare with the sulfur. Sulfur is a less elective electronegative atoms than oxygen and nitrogens. Nitrogens are higher high electronegative atoms than the sulfur, whereas oxygen is more electronegative atoms than nitrogen and sulfur. So on that basis, the higher electronegative atoms or electronegative of particular atoms is higher, then there is a chances of holding of non-bonded electrons over it. They hold tightly and they does not delocalize easily as compared to the less electronegative atom. On that basis, the sulfur is a more aromatic characters than the furans. This is the basic reasons due to the more electronegativity atoms. Oxygen is a more electronegative atoms than the nitrogen and sulfurs. Due to electronegative atoms, they tightly hold the unshared electrons, lone pair of electron present on the particular heteroatoms, and due to that holding, there is difficult to delocalize the electrons from heteroatoms, which is involved in the resonance structures as compared to the nitrogen and sulfurs. From that, from that evidence, the oxygen containing furan is a less aromatic characters than the sulfur containing thiophene. Thiophene is a higher aromatic characters because the sulfur atom is a less electronegative atom than the oxygen. Due to this, generally this type of questions are asked during the examination. Why thiophene is a more aromatic characters in the heterocyclic rings as compared to the furans. Give the reason, proper reasons. This is the reasons, electronegativity. On the basis of electronegativity, the holding capacity of the lone pair of electrons which is present on heteroatoms is more with the more electronegative atoms than the less electronegative atom. This is the main reasons for the aromatic character of thiophene is more one as compared to the furans. Now we have to move with the preparation reactions of thiophenes. First synthesis, Palnor synthesis. Already we have to heard this type of synthesis in furan as well as pyrrols. The starting material is same 1,4-dicarbonyl compound, but only the difference with the reagents. In sulfur containing 5 members, P2S5, phosphorus pentasulfide is used. If this pentasulfide is used, there is formation of sulfur containing substituted thiophene. Instead of P2S5, if you go with the phosphorus pentoxide, then there is formation of furols, P2O5. If you use, there is formation of furans. If instead of this P2H5, if ammonia is used, then formation of pyrrole, nitrogen containing heterocyclic moiety. All the syntheses are called as Palnor synthesis, where the starting material is 1,4-dicarbonyl compound. This compound undergo condensation with the respective reagent to give the respective 5-member products. These are mechanisms. Firstly, attack of phosphorus pentasulfide. There is a replacement of one of the carbonyl compound with sulfur. that is formation of thioketene, ketone formation, followed by protonaceous, addition of protons on this oxygen atoms, second oxygen atoms, then addition of protonaceous, which undergo cyclizations, followed by deproto followed by hydrolysis to make the substituted sulfur containing thiopene as a final product. Now another method, you have to prepare the thiopene from sodium succinate. Generally, this type of synthesis was carried out in the labs. It requires heating the mixture with this sodium succinate. This is the starting material for the synthesis of thiopenes. Here, the sodium succinate is react with the phosphorus trisulfide. In presence of heat, there is a cyclization was carried out, and to make the thiopene is the final product. In this way, you have to prepare the another way to prepare the thiopene from sodium succinate. Another method, another preparation method of thiopene is Hinsberg synthesis. In Hinsberg synthesis, the starting material is 1,2-dicarbonate. Means adjacent position, the keto group is present. That positions are called as 1,2-dicarbonyl compound. Is the starting materials. They react with the diethyl thiodiacetate. This is another starting materials. They react with each other. 1,2-dicarbonyl compound react with the diethyl thiodiacetate in presence of strong base is used, which undergo cyclizations and to make the final substituted product. That is thiopene 1,2-diacids or diketones, depend on the which base is used. There is a cyclization, simple, nothing but it's a breaking of this oxygen from carbonyl compounds and they directly fuse with the diethyl thiodiacetate. In this way, you have to prepare thiopenes from 1,2-dicarbonates. Sometimes in the examination, they ask generally, how will you prepare the thiopene from 1,2-dicarbonates? So in that conditions, this method you have to remember in reverse synthesis. There is a simple condensation of two components in presence of base to form the thiopene diketone as a final product. These are the some preparation reactions of thiopenes. Now we have to move with the some chemical reactions. Some chemical reactions of thiopenes. The first chemical reactions already we have to heard in pyrols as well as furan synthesis. That is the electrophilic substitution reactions. Generally, the electrophile substitution was carried out at C2 position rather than the C3 positions because while electrophile substituted at C2 positions, there is a making of 3 resonance structures. Out of that, this structure is more stable or give the extra stability due to the positive charge acquires on sulfur atoms and it will produce 3 resonance structures while substitution of electrophile substituted on second position C2 positions, whereas the electrophile substituted at C3 positions it will produce only 2 resonance structures. As per the stability purpose, more the resonance structure, more will be the stability. So, generally the electrophile substitution reactions was generally obtained at C2 positions because of there is a formation of three resonance structures as compared to the two resonance structure. Due to the three resonance structure, the stability was increased. And out of that three structure, this structure is more stable structure where the electrophile attack on this C2 positions. So now we have to detail about the electrophilic substitution reactions. This is one of the electrophilic substitution in presence of phosphoric acids. At hot condition, phosphoric acids react with thiophene. There is formation of trimers. That is, three molecules of thiophenes are fused together with single bonds. That is called as trimers. That is polymerization of the reactions. This thiophenes react with the hot phosphoric acids to form the trimer as a final product of major products. Now move with the other electrophilic substitution reactions. Here, electrophilic substitution reaction is nitrations. For nitration, nitric mixture is required. Acetic acid in presence of nitration is carried out. There is substitution of nitro group at second position as well as third position. But the major product is third positions. Of the two substituted nitro groups is a major positions, whereas three substituted nitrothiopenes is a minor product. Whereas for sulfonations, the sulfuric acid in presence of pyridine is used. There is a SO3H sulfonic acid substitution was carried out at second positions. 2-sulfonyl thiopene was forms. Another reactions of electrophilic substitution is halogenations. For halogenations, chlorine is used. For example, chlorination was occurred with thiopenes. The major product is 2 substituted and minor product is 2-5 dichloro thiopene. Is a minor product. Whereas for acylation, acetic anhydride is used. This acetic anhydride, the acyl groups are substituted at second positions on thiopenes and to form the 2-acyl thiopene is a major product. In this way, this electrophilic substitution for thiopenes. First is for with the help of nitratic mixtures. Nitratic mixture nothing but nitric acid with reagent, catalyst. Here acetic acid is used as a catalyst and to form the 2-nitrothiophene is a major product instead of 3-nitrothiopenes. Sulfonation, 2-sulfonyl groups substituted on thiopenes. For sulfonation, sulfuric acid in presence of pyridine. Pyridine act as a solvent, reacting solvent, where the sulfonation reaction is carried out. Now, apart from electrophilic substitution reactions of thiopenes, some reactions where the thiopenes are generally undergo. First is reduction reactions. The thiopenes undergo reduction in presence of ranitidines, formation of butane is a major product while the nickels are used during the reductions with nickel sulfide formations. Instead of nickel, if palladium is used as a catalytic reduction reactions, there is addition of 4 hydrogens on thiopene by breaking of single carbon-carbon double bond into single bond and to form the tetrahydro thiopene, TST. This is a formula. This is the structure of tetrahydrothiopene. There is addition of four hydrogens into the carbon-carbon single bonds. There is breaking of carbon-carbon single double bonds, and to make the single bond by addition of four hydrogens on thiopene rings to form tetrahydrothiopene. Here catalysis use different, then different product was formed. Another reaction is organolithiums. Here alkyl lithiums is the solvent or reagent which used for the reactions. Here butyl lithium is used. Butyl lithiums, they react with thiopenes. There is a substitution of lithium ions, lithium on thiopenes to form the two thiophenyl lithiums, followed by carboxylation reactions. There is a substitution of carboxylic acid by replacing lithium ions at second position, and to form the thiopene 2 carboxylic acid. That is, at second position, the COH groups are substitution. This reaction is called as carboxylation reactions. In presence of alkyl lithiums, you have to produce a carboxylic acid substitution on thiopene rings. These are the some reactions of thiopene. Electrophilic reactions, nitration, sulfonations, halogenation, acylations, reduction reaction. And another reaction is reaction with alkyl lithiums to produce the carboxylic substituted product. Now, move with the last part. Here, the thiopene containing, in this examples, tegabenes. Here, two thiopene rings are present in the structures. And this tegabenes act as a anticonvulsant agents which is used against the epileptic conditions. Another examples, thiopene containing rings, that is cetuximab. It acts as a CVS agent, that is cardiovascular agent. Generally, this is used during the pulmonary artery hypertension like situations. These drugs are used. These drugs, both the drugs having the thiopene as a major product. So these are the some examples here introducing the thiopene as a heterocyclic, a ring containing drugs here, mentioning along with their medicinal uses of concerned drugs. Having thiopene as a heterocyclic ring present in the structures. These are the parts we have to study here, that is properties of thiopenes, some preparation reactions of thiopenes from 1,4 dicarboxylic dicarbonyl compound, that is Palmer synthesis for thiopenes, Hinsberg synthesis. These are the some syntheses where the thiopenes are prepared, whereas some chemical reactions like electrophilic substitution reaction, reduction reaction, some reaction with alkyl lithiums we have to discuss here along with some uses containing some drug containing thiopene as a heterocyclic moieties. And these are the some references we have to use for the making of this properties, preparations, and chemical reactions of thiopenes.